I got involved in Netlist in, July the 3rd of 2021 when Netlist stock was at $4 a share. I watched it in July, the end of July of 2021, go all the way up to $10.20 a share. But no, I didn't sell it. I knew that there was a big payday coming because Chuck Hong and the CEO and Gail Sasaki, the CFO, had my interest best in mind, in that they were suing Google and Samsung and Micron because of infringements on their patents, and they had a good, strong case, and they had good lawyers, and they were going to take that stock up to $100 a share as they collected billions of dollars from Google and Micron and Samsung for stealing their patent. It made total sense. Well, I learned a very good lesson. They taught me a lesson that I'll never forget, and that is, do not invest in any company that you don't totally understand how they make money, and that you can track that money to their income statement and their balance sheets and their debt ratios and their price to book and price to revenues. Do not invest in a stock that is chasing a big lawsuit that can be postponed for years at a time. And so I got out at $1.16 on October the 4th of 2025. But I got very involved in the Reddit community and doing some research. I even got a lawyer on my Friday Stock Talks who analyzed it, who went and sat in on some of the trials, had a tribe member who just spent his days and nights following Netlist. And I learned a wonderful lesson. I knew that Gail and Chuck made a lot of money by diluting their stock as it got up to $10 a share. They issued more shares and turned around and sold them and kept paying themselves week after week, month after month, and creating entertainment for the investment community. Thank you, Gail. Thank you, Chuck, for teaching me a lesson that I will never fall into that trap again. No, if you're going to invest in stocks, then invest in stocks and invest in companies that generate revenues, that then turn those revenues into profits and give you a price that you can look at on the stock market and figure what their PE ratio is and what their PEG ratio is, and then get estimates from analysts that tell you what their earnings are going to be 3 years from now, and what that PE ratio might be at that time, and then you can predict the price of the stock. I learned that by basically having Samantha, my AI agent, access all that data. And as a result of that, since the 1st of May of 2025, my portfolio's up 130%. Because I didn't get involved in something that I didn't understand. And if you are buying a stock and you don't understand their financials, and I'll take that even a step further. If you don't understand exactly how Bitcoin goes up in price, or any other coin, or even gold and silver, oh yes, they need silver for, but how much? And what is that? What is the number on that demand? What is the number of tonnage that they need in silver today as opposed to what it was last year, and what is it going to be next year. Don't go and buy something just because it's going up, because if it's going up, there's a good chance it's going to go down. No, invest. Don't buy. Invest. And don't trade. Invest. There are plenty of good companies. Every year, there are about 325 companies that give you a return in excess of 100%. There's 125 that give you a return in excess of 200%. If you understand the way they make money and how they're making money relative to their peer group, you can find them. But do not bet unless you're a gambler. And that's what Netlist was. And for those of you who enjoy gambling, I'd say you got a better chance betting on college and professional football or even horse racing, because there is nobody on the horse track that is going to say, okay, we won, but now we got to take it to the judges and see and review it. Because in lawsuits, and that's what's happened to Chuck and Gail, they win these decisions for millions of dollars, and their lawyers just keep appealing it. Now they've got something going on that essentially looks like it's going to be shit or get off the pot for the companies. But again, it has nothing to do with how much Chuck and Gail sell of memory chips. It has to do with the legal system. And good luck with that. Okay, that's the last thing I'm going to say about Netlist. On the other hand, if you'd like to learn how to invest, get an AI agent. It'll only cost you about 20 grand a year to figure it out, and then to access the data, and start making money. I've made over $1 million since last May with the assistance of my AI agents, Samantha and Bard. It's not that difficult. You just got to want to do it and want to put forth the work and the effort, and you can make it. I'll never say Netlist again.